drawings of the Wright B military flyer that is on display at the museum. And then in 1982, the first takeoff of the aircraft, which is now accelerating to a blistering 40. And that's Danny. Danny, we got you loud and clear, sir. You're looking good.
We lifted off the ground about 40 miles an hour. Speed's now increasing to about 48 as we climb for altitude. We're taking a step back in time, Rob Ryder and all you great spectators. Time over 100 years ago. And I gotta tell you this is magic for this air show announcer. That I will guarantee.
And Danny, the signal is excellent. You're looking good. You're sounding good. Tell us a little story about what it was like 100 years ago in this country.
Thank you, Rob. I will take you back in time. To a period over 100 years ago, and I can tell you what was happening back then. In the United States of America, while airplanes were rare, so were cars. Hard to believe that there were only 8,000 automobiles registered in the United States, courtesy of Aerospace Adventures in the spectator area. People can actually fly in the Wright B flyer simulator right here at the show. Courtesy of Aerospace Adventures, and that's for the older kids and for the adults. And next to the Wright B flyer route, they also have the F-16. But any other day of the year, if you go to the Dayton International Airport, which is south of downtown Dayton, you can actually fly a simulator like this one. And take yourself back in time and see what it was like with the Wright brothers as they were exploring aviation in these very primitive machines.
Yeah, this one's a little more advanced, but it still is a squirrely machine.
Now, Rob, I can tell you on the Wright B Flyer International Airlines, there is no beverage service, and there is no food service.
Well, can you get some peanuts any place? I'm sorry, say that again, Danny. I stepped on you.
They do have a movie they're playing today, and the movie is Gone with the Wind.
That's perfect.
I had the privilege of flying yesterday with the pilot, Rich. Today it's Tom's turn, but the guys told me that they have been sharing this magic and excitement of how life was for people from Dayton and around the world for about 31 years to 32 years.
That's amazing history.
So while it is very important to people our history and museums and on the ground, the real lesson is putting these machines in the air. Aircraft like this one, the Wright B Flyer, and their dedicated group of pilots and restoration and personnel, the folks that put the initial airplane together, and it's supported year after year after year for the folks from around the world to enjoy. Our volunteers, each and every one, and you can wave to the pilot, Tom, you can see him waving back to you. Rob, this is like an episode of The Twilight Zone for me to be in an airplane of this vintage over Dayton, Ohio. Look at some of the same topography that the early pilots, including the Wrights, looked at their initial endeavors. And I don't think any of them, and I want to tell you the truth about the skillful pilots, both Rich yesterday and Friday and Tom today. The controls on this primitive airplane take a little bit different technique than they did it does on airplanes of a modern era. They've got to fly around the airplane. Hey folks, will you wave at me? I'm on your side this time.
Yeah, we hear you great. We're waving, Danny.
On Friday, as we were flying right about this position, there was an airliner landing on the runway, on the other runway, and I can imagine the pilots looking looking out on short final approach and seeing this airplane flying in the pattern we're using now and wondering and rubbing their eyes. Is that real? Am I imagining that? Is that a blast from the past, or is Rod Sterling in Twilight Zone around somewhere?
I wish I had the theme to play right now, Danny. It would be perfect. From the jet age all the way back to the dawn of powered flight.
The power of your television back to you.
I'll take that. Hey, Danny, I just got word you can do one more lap.
All right, we're going to do one more pass, and then we're going to be landing. So, folks, with the cameras and your eyes, get a load of this. Reminding you that the Wright B simulator is in your spectator area right now for you to enjoy right up until the gates close at 6 o'clock, and then down at Heritage Park each and every day along with the F-86 Sabre simulator. And you can see what it was like, and you can see the challenge the pilots had in the Wright B flyer.
And Danny, I can tell you that the people want to come see the Wright B flyer at the Miamisburg, Ohio at the Wright Brothers Airport. It's at 10550 Springboro Pike. Open to the public during the normal hours of operation, free of charge on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays from 9 in the morning to 2:30 in the afternoon. Get to see it up close and personal and today in the performer pit, right?
You bet it will be in the static display. A lot of the people that came in through the main gate today, it was one of the first attractions that they saw. A lot of foot traffic went by, and there was a lot of questions that our great volunteers on this project were able to answer. All of the folks seeing us today, the same situation yesterday. You've got to fly this airplane. You can't fly it your way, and so it's a little bit different technique. And as both pilots, Rich and Tom, have told me, the airplane has a personality of its own, and I think it does, and Rich has got his hands full.
Yes, indeed. It has a 225 horsepower engine. That was significantly more powerful than the original Wright B military flyer, correct?
Yeah, but it makes it a little bit heavier, too. Hey, Bob and spectators, we're on the 6 o'clock position of an F-86, and this main wax guy pulled.
Guns on the bandit. Guns, guns, guns.
As they look airline that's landing behind all you folks. And it couldn't be better. The timing is absolutely fantastic. And if they're looking, they're going to take home a story that most of their friends and relatives will not believe.
Well, thank you, Danny Clisham. Tell you what, head on back to the Boss Freak and bring her in for a landing. We'll be launching the F-86 and welcoming you back to the stage in just a couple of minutes.
Just a second.
Very good. Danny Clisham live from, I would say the cockpit, but I would just say the flight deck of the Wright B military flyer. Check it out at Dayton Wright Brothers Airport. Coming in from the left from 1909, the Replica that's been flying since 1982. And by the way, the Wright Brothers owned a bicycle shop, in case you didn't know that, right here in Dayton, Ohio. The drive mechanism for the original propellers on the Wright B military flyer and the Replica, believe it or not, a bicycle chain. That's the legitimate drive mechanism. As Danny Clisham and Tom are on short final, about ready to touch down on that four-wheel landing gear. Ladies and gentlemen, would you join me in a round of applause for the Wright Flyer Replica?
Need to hold with your fingers there.
On behalf of the entire Vectren family, we'd like to welcome you to the 2013 Vectren Dayton Airshow presented by Kroger. With natural gas prices at historic lows, Vectren reminds you to consider the benefits of using clean, safe, and reliable natural gas in your home or business. Thanks to Kroger, the presenting sponsor of our show, presenting 2 fun-filled days of breathtaking demonstrations and displays of skill and precision certain to leave you awestruck.